This is my Thomas Wayne Railway collection, and please enjoy. So here's Harvey, Rocky, Harold. What's that?
That is the Center Island Quarry Car.
And here's the Center Island Quarry Car. Here's the Watermilk Car. Here's the Cargo Car. Here's another 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 Cargo Car. Here's the Apple Car. Here's another Cargo Car.
That's the forklift.
The forklift car. Here's Spencer Soda Line Caboose, Diesel 10, Vinny, Fearless Freddy, Duck, the Zoo Car, the Zoo Cars,
The aquarium cars.
the Aquarium Cars, Bill and Ben, Ferdinand, Charlie, Connor and Caitlin.
Okay, which way are you going? You going from that side now? Connor and Caitlin.
Philip, and Duncan, and his extra